Whether you're a litigation attorney navigating complex cases, a legal professional seeking actionable insights, or someone tackling the challenges of debt collection, this is your behind-the-scenes guide to getting results. From tracking down elusive witnesses and serving court documents to uncovering hidden assets and solving seemingly impossible cases, you'll have Anthony DiMario, award-winning private investigator with over 25 years of experience and the founder of Skip Tracers LLC, who will bring you the tools, tactics, and real-world expertise you need to succeed. So, whether you're here to sharpen your skills or to discover how investigative service can transform your approach, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive into the world of skip tracing, judgment enforcement, and process serving with your host, Anthony DiMario.
Thanks, Greg, for that introduction, and welcome to the Skip Tracer Files. I'm Anthony DiMario, and for over 2 decades, I've been helping attorneys, legal professionals, and businesses solve some of their toughest cases. From tracking down missing defendants to uncovering hidden assets, my team at Skip Tracers LLC has built a reputation for delivering results when it matters most. In this second segment of the Skip Tracer Files, we're diving into an area of law that brings unique challenges, not just for attorneys, but for private investigators and process servers as well: divorce and child custody cases. When it comes to family law, the stakes couldn't be higher. These cases deal with the most personal aspects of people's lives: financial assets, children, and the future of families. And, as you know, there's often a lot of uncertainty and tension surrounding these issues. Whether you're an attorney trying to secure a fair settlement, or a parent fighting for custody of your child, the investigation process is just as crucial as the legal strategy itself. In this episode, we'll explore the challenges faced by attorneys, private investigators, and process servers in divorce and child custody cases, and how they work together to uncover the truth and ensure justice is served. As a litigation attorney, particularly in divorce or child custody cases, you know that it's not always a straightforward battle. Clients come to you with accusations, suspicions, and fears. They often need answers that go beyond their own knowledge, answers about hidden assets, financial discrepancies, or even potential threats to their child's well-being. This is where the investigators and process servers of Skip Tracers LLC come into play. Imagine you're handling a divorce case where one spouse claims to have minimal assets, but your client has reason to believe otherwise. The financial records aren't adding up, and suspicions about hidden accounts or undisclosed assets loom large. Or perhaps you're facing a situation where child custody is in dispute, and you need to track down a parent who's evading the system. In both of these cases, it's vital to work with professionals who can find the missing pieces to the puzzle. At Skip Tracers LLC, we specialize in locating those hidden financial records or uncovering discrepancies in a parent's claimed living situation, all while ensuring that the investigation is discreet and legally sound. Whether you're trying to find evidence of unreported income or ensuring that the child's best interests are considered in a custody battle, our investigative team can provide the necessary support to turn the tide in your client's favor. For private investigators, family law cases present a unique set of challenges. It's not just about tracking down assets or serving papers. It's about understanding the delicate nature of these cases and working with the utmost sensitivity. Divorce and custody cases often involve emotions running high, and navigating that terrain requires skill and discretion. Take a case we handled for a client embroiled in a messy divorce. The husband, who had a high-paying job and was in the process of buying a new house, was claiming poverty in his filings to avoid paying spousal support. The wife suspected he was hiding substantial assets, but finding them would require a deep dive into financial records, professional ties, and a network of sources. Through a combination of investigative tools, Everything from tracking his business dealings, monitoring his lifestyle through public records, and cross-referencing social media, we were able to uncover multiple hidden income streams and offshore accounts. This information proved invaluable in the case, securing a fair settlement for the wife. But it's not always about assets. Sometimes we're hired to track down a parent who has disappeared with a child, violating a custody agreement. These cases demand a strategic approach, working with law enforcement, utilizing advanced search databases, and using on-the-ground tactics to find that one crucial lead. It's about persistence, attention to detail, and, above all, the ability to make connections others might miss. Now, let's talk about process servers, the often overlooked heroes who play a critical role in family law cases. You can have all the evidence in the world, but if you can't get those legal papers served to the right person at the right time, your case is in jeopardy. In divorce and custody cases, timely and accurate service is crucial. But what happens when the person you're trying to serve goes into hiding or changes addresses repeatedly? This is where Skip Tracers LLC's expertise comes into play. Our investigators work closely with our process servers to track down defendants, no matter how elusive they may be. I want to share a story with you. We were once hired by an attorney who had been struggling to serve a mother with custody papers for a child that had been relocated to another state. The mother was intentionally avoiding service, and the attorney was on the brink of having to dismiss the case. We got to work, cross-referencing addresses, utilizing surveillance, and digging into social media activity. Eventually, we located the mother's new residence and were able to serve her with the custody papers. The process server was able to complete the job, and the custody battle proceeded. This is a perfect example of how, in family law cases, every piece of the puzzle needs to fit perfectly. From locating missing parents to uncovering hidden assets, we help ensure that no stone goes unturned. While every case is different, there are some common challenges that attorneys, private investigators, and process servers face in family law cases. First, there's the issue of time. In many divorce or custody cases, decisions need to be made quickly, whether it's tracking down a hidden asset or ensuring that custody papers are served before a deadline. That's where the need for speed and accuracy comes in. Second, there's the challenge of emotions. Divorce and custody cases often involve high levels of tension and anger, which can cloud judgment. This makes it all the more important to have professionals involved who can remain objective, perform their duties with professionalism, and avoid getting tangled in the emotional side of things. And in some cases, surveillance is necessary, particularly when there are concerns about a parent's interaction with a minor child. If there are accusations of neglect, abuse, or any behavior that might impact the child's safety or well-being, surveillance can help provide a clearer picture of the parent's conduct. It's a delicate process, but it can be absolutely essential in proving whether the parent is fit for custody or if changes need to be made. Finally, there's the challenge of privacy and discretion. Divorce and child custody investigations can be intensely personal, and it's critical that everything is handled with the utmost confidentiality. The bottom line is that divorce and child custody cases require a collaborative effort between attorneys, investigators, and process servers. The investigative work behind these cases can make or break an outcome, whether it's uncovering hidden assets or locating a parent who's evading the legal system. That's the reason that, as an attorney, you need all three factors available from the same investigative firm. At Skip Tracers LLC, we understand the stakes, and that's why we're here to support you every step of the way. Whether you need help with asset location, background checks, or process serving, we've got you covered. Be sure to send us a like if you enjoy our segments. Until next time, have a wonderful day.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Skip Tracer Files. We hope you've gained some valuable insights and actionable strategies to elevate your work in the legal and investigative fields. Whether it's serving court documents, locating hidden assets, or finding those hard-to-reach witnesses, Skip Tracers LLC is here to help you navigate the complexities of your cases. For more information, visit www.skiptracers.net or call toll-free at 833-754-7872 to discuss your particular case. Don't forget to subscribe to this podcast so you never miss an episode filled with expert tips, real-life success stories, and the latest in investigative techniques. Remember, in the world of private investigations, you don't have to go it alone. Skip Tracers LLC is your trusted partner in uncovering the truth. Until next time, stay curious, stay resourceful, and keep chasing the facts. The Skip Tracer Files is a production of Skip Tracers LLC. All rights reserved. Please consult a legal professional before taking any action based on the information shared in this podcast.